Hello, my name is Peter Trenikost. I'm your GIS digital specialist, and today I'm going to introduce you to an awesome activity that I use with my students called Getting to Know You with Survey123. Survey123 is an application offered by Esri as part of their ArcGIS online suite, and this activity allows me to utilize geographic information systems and my students and maps to create some pretty striking visuals. If you can create a Google form, you can easily create a Survey123 form as well, and that's exactly what you're going to do. So you create the form, you put questions in there that you want to get from your students, and then you have a map component, and you can ask them a question such as, where is your favorite vacation? Where are you from? Or if you were using this as a project, where was the event that occurred or the person that you are researching? Once you have your survey created, you share it with your students, and it looks exactly like this. All they do is fill it out, and then for that map component, they can choose exactly where they want it to display. From this point on in Survey123, you click on Data, and you'll start to see all of the little dots that have popped up from your students' inputs. And then if you click on Open in Map Viewer, you can actually open this into a giant map, which will show all of your students' inputs. So this particular one was, where was your favorite vacation spot? And so here, the final step is you can have your students explore this, or you can put it on your board and explore it as a class. Clicking on each one of these will bring up all of the answers to all of the different questions that you've asked. So again, while this is a getting to know you activity, I've used this for the Columbian Exchange. I've had students do projects on individuals and put their birthplace. And so this is a really awesome way to include geography and whatever discipline you're looking at. For me, it's history. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to follow us on social media.